Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 8 English grammar 4th chapter, and that is the correct use of adjective. In this chapter we use degrees of comparisons like positive, comparative and superlative. Here is the exercise 4.1. Fill in the blanks with older or elder. In these blanks we fill older or elder according to the statement. First one is I have an dash sister, and the correct answer is elder. In this statement we use rule number 10. In rule number 10, elder or eldest are used for persons and for the member of the same family. So we use elder. Second, his dash brother is a doctor, and the correct answer is elder. Again we use rule number 10 because brother is belong to the same family. Third, she is the dash of two sisters, and the correct answer is older. In this sentence we also use the rule number 10. Older and oldest are used for things as well as persons. Next one is the nephew is older than his uncle. Fifth, the older of his two sons is my friend. Sixth, my father is much older than my uncle. 7th, Raman is older than Hari by 2 years. My dear students, do this question in your book. Question number 2, fill in the blanks with oldest or eldest. First one is he is the boy in our class, and the correct answer is oldest because we used for things and as well as person. In this sentence we compare the two person. Second, Mr. Kapoor's dash hill is the son, and the answer is eldest. Third, this is the dash temple in our town, and the correct answer is oldest. Next, Gopal is the dash member of our team, and the answer is oldest. In this statement we use rule number 10. In rule number 10 it's belong to the same family members, person and as well as used for the things. Next one is Mona is the dash of my uncle's 3 children, and the correct answer is eldest. Do this question in your book. Question number 3, fill in the blanks with latest or last. My dear students, in this exercise we use rule number 11. In rule number 11 we used latest to show the time and we use last to show the position. First one is who was the dash Mughal emperor, and the answer is last because it show the position. Second, what is the dash news from home, and the correct answer is latest because news show the time. Third, we will get the latest report in a few hours. Fourth, the last time I saw her, she was not well. Fifth, today is the last day for the payment of fees. Do this question in your book. Question number 4, fill in the blanks with letter and letter. In this question, we use letter and letter, but we use this letter in the show time and this one to show the position. First one is Rajni came dash then Seema, and the correct answer is later. Second, she found happiness in her dash year, and the answer is later. We use this letter because it show the time. Year show the time. Third, the match was postponed to a later date. Fourth, the dash half of her life was full of difficulties, and the correct answer is latter because it show the position. Fifth, Anu and Manu are twins. The latter is more intelligent. Sixth, pay your fees in time. Later you will have to pay the fine also. Do this question in your book. Next one is fill in the blanks with the appropriate comparative and superlative. We use appropriate comparative and superlative like better, largest, better, mightier and older. First one is prevention is dash than cure, and the correct answer is better, because in this statement we use comparative degree and we use better, and also we can use the better of the two. Second, Kolkata is a dash city of India, and the correct answer is largest. Third, Lata is dash singer than Asha, and the answer is better. The pen is mightier than the sword. My uncle is older than my father. He writes the best hands in our class. We use best because it refers to superlative degrees. Next, he writes a better hand than his brother. We use better because it compares the two things. Next, the dash buildings are found in America, and the correct answer is tallest because it's referred a superlative. Next, of all countries, China has dash population, and the answer is largest. Next, Mount Everest is the highest peak of Himalayas. Next, clouds float in the sky because they are lighter than air. Next, the streets of Chandigarh are wider than those Ambala. Do this question in your book. 6. Rewrite each sentence correctly. First one is he wrote a best book, and the answer is he wrote a very good book. We use very good because in this sentence we use rule number 8. In rule number 8, the superlative must to be used to mean very plus positive degree, and in this statement we use best, so we can write very good book. Next, he is my older brother, and the correct answer is he is my elder brother. We use elder in the place of older because it's referred the same family member, so we use elder, not older. Next one is he is elder than his sister, and the correct answer is he is older than his sister. We use older because in the comparative degrees, elder is not followed by than, but older is followed by than. In this sentence, than is used, then elder is not followed than, so we use older. Next one is his oldest son has left him, and the answer is his eldest son has left him. We use eldest because it refers a person. Next one is he is my greatest friend, and the correct answer is he is my greatest friend. In this sentence is correct, so there is no need to recorrect. Next, my pen is superior than yours, and the answer is my pen is superior to yours. Next, Misha left the hall latest of all, and the answer is Misha left the hall last of all. Next, I am senior than him in service, and the answer is I am senior to him in service. Next, he is cleverer than the two, and the answer is he is cleverer of the two. Next, this is the last news of the day, and the answer is this is the latest news of the day. We use latest because it shows the time. Next one is my watch is superior than yours, and the answer is my watch is superior to yours. He is able of the three sons, and the correct answer is he is the ablest of the three sons. Next one is she is the wisest of the two sisters, and the answer is she is the wiser of the two sisters. We use wiser because we compare the two sisters. Next, Vipin is no less clever than Nitin, and the correct answer is Vipin is no less clever than Nitin. Next, he is senior than me by 4 years, and the answer is he is senior to me by 4 years. Next, he was the laziest of all other boys, and the answer is he was laziest of all boys. Next, this road is the shortest of all. And the answer is, this road is the shortest of all. Next, Ravi is more intelligent than any boy. And the answer is, Ravi is more intelligent than any other boy. Health is more preferable than wealth. And the answer is, health is more preferable to wealth. Next, he is as clever as any boy in the class. And the answer is, he is clever as any other boy in the class. My dear student, rest of the questions you have to do yourself. But remember, you have to do only 16 questions in your notebook. Next one is 4.2. Rewrite each sentence in the comparative degree without changing its meaning. First one is, he is as brave as a lion. And the correct answer is, a lion is not braver than him. In this statement, we use rule number 12. In rule number 12, when a thing is to be compared with another of the same kind, we can use positive or comparative degrees. Like, first one is, he is as brave as a lion. It refers a positive degree. And the correct answer is, a lion is not brave than him. It refers a comparative degree. So we use not. Next one is, you are as cunning as a fox. And the answer is, a fox is not more cunning than you. Third, our house is as big as yours. And the answer is, your house is not bigger than ours. Next, a dog is as faithful as a horse. And the answer is, a horse is not more faithful than a dog. Next, Jaya is more beautiful as the moon. And the answer is, the moon is not more beautiful than Jaya. Next, Richa's hair is as long as Nisha's. And the answer is, Nisha's hair is not longer than Richa's. Do these questions in your notebook. Be part of this exercise. First one is, iron is not as heavy as gold. And the answer is, gold is heavier than iron. We use positive degree into the comparison. Next one is, a car is not as fast as a car. And the answer is, a car is faster than a cart. Next, Delhi is not as big as Mumbai. And the answer is, Mumbai is bigger than Delhi. Fourth, she is not as tall as her sister. And the answer is, her sister is taller than her. Fifth, sugar is not as sweet as honey. And the answer is, honey is sweeter than sugar. Sixth, Mumbai is not as big as London. And the answer is, London is bigger than Mumbai. Next one is, my bag is not as heavy as yours. And the answer is, your bag is heavier than mine. Apples are not as cheap as oranges. And the answer is, oranges are cheaper than apples. A donkey is not as beautiful as a horse. And the answer is, a horse is more beautiful than a donkey. My dear students, if you notice, in these all sentences, we use then because it refers a comparative degree. So my dear students, do this question in your notebook. Rewrite each sentence in the positive degree without changing its meaning. First one is, the sea is deeper than a river. In this sentence, we change positive degree, but we can't change their meaning. And the answer is, a river is not as deep as the sea. Second, Rima is more intelligent than Reena. And the answer is, Reena is not as intelligent as Rima. In this statement, Rima is intelligent, but Reena is not more intelligent than Rima. Third, a live ash stronger than a dead lion. A dead lion is not as strong as a live ash. The next exercise is harder than this one. This exercise is not as hard as the next one. The elder brother is worse than the younger. The younger brother is not as bad as the elder. An angry woman is more dangerous than an angry lion. And the answer is, an angry lion is not as dangerous as an angry woman. My dear students, do this question in your notebook. B part. A rose is not fairer than Lucy, and the answer is Lucy is as fair as a rose. Second, this room is not larger than that one. That room is as large as this one. Your handwriting is not better than mine. My handwriting as good as yours. Anu is not more hardworking than Anita. And the answer is Anita is as hardworking as Anu. This street is not wider than the next one. The next street is as wide as this one. The younger sister is not cleverer than the elder one. And the answer is the elder sister is as clever as younger one. Do this question in your notebook. Exercise 4.3. First one is change the degree of comparison in each following sentences. First one is riding is the best of all exercise. In this statement, we use rule number 13. In rule number 13, when one thing is to be compared with many of the same things, we can use any of degrees like positive, comparative and superlative. So, this one is superlative degrees because it refers best, and the answer is riding is the better than any other exercise. This is comparative degrees. No other exercise is as good as riding. This is positive degree. Next one is Mumbai is the best seaport of India, and the answer is in comparative degree. Mumbai is better than any other seaport of India. No other seaport of India is as good as Mumbai. Next, she is most beautiful girl in our class, and the answer is she is more beautiful than any other girl in our class in comparative degree. No other girl in our class is as beautiful as her in superlative degree. Next one is forgiveness is the noblest form of revenge. Forgiveness is nobler than any other form of revenge. This belongs to the comparative degree because we use than. No other form of revenge is as noble as forgiveness, and this is referred positive degree because we use as and as. Next, the elephant is the biggest of all land animals, and the answer is the elephant is bigger than any other land animal. No other land animal is as big as the elephant. Next, Shakespeare was the greatest dramatist of England, and the answer is Shakespeare was greater than any other dramatist of England. No other dramatist of England was as great as Shakespeare. My dear student, do this question in your notebook. B. First one is gold is one of the heaviest of metals. Gold is heavier than most other metals. Very few metals are as heavy as gold. Next, Delhi is one of the oldest cities of India. Delhi is older than most other cities of India. Very few cities of India are as old as Delhi. Third, Misha is one of the tallest girls in our class, and the answer is Misha is taller than most other girls of our class. Very few girls of our class are as tall as Misha. The tiger is one of the most beautiful animals. The tiger is more beautiful than most other animals. Next, very few animals are as beautiful as the tiger. Pandit Nehru was one of the greatest leaders of India. Pandit Nehru was greater than most other leaders of India. Very few leaders of India was as great as Pandit Nehru. Mr. Kapoor is one of the best teachers in our school. Mr. Kapoor is better than most other teachers in our school. Very few teachers in our school are as good as Mr. Kapoor. Do this question in your notebook. See part of this exercise. In part A, B, C, D of this question, we use only rule number 13 to compare same things. So we use positive, comparative and superlative degrees. First one is home is better than any other place, and the answer is home is best place. This refers superlative degree. No other place is as good as home. This refers positive degree. Is lead heavier than any other metal? Is lead the heaviest metal? Is no other metal as heavy as lead? The ostrich is bigger than any other bird. The ostrich is the biggest bird. No other bird is as big as the ostrich. Radha is wiser than any other girl in our class. Radha is wisest girl in our class. No other girl in our class is as wise as Radha. My dear student, rest of the question you have to do yourself and do this question in your notebook. D part of this exercise. No other man was as strong as Bhima. This is the positive degree. First one is Bhima was the strongest man. This is a superlative degree. Bhima was stronger than any other man. This refers a comparative degree. Next, no other food is as nourishing as milk. And the answer is milk is the most nourishing food. Milk is more nourishing than any other food. Next one is no other player is as gentle as Sachin. And the answer is Sachin is the gentlest player. Sachin is gentler than any other player. No other animal is as clever as the monkey. The monkey is the cleverest animal. The monkey is clever than any other animal. My dear student, rest of the two questions you have to do yourself in your notebook. That's all about this chapter. I hope you all understand this chapter very well. Doing practicing in English grammar. I hope you all do very well. Thank you.